What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect WhatsApp to your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So if you want to be able to get and receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. First things first, you actually have to connect your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch to your phone using the recommended application. So on your phone, you want to make sure you turn on the Bluetooth and then also make sure you turn on the service location of your phone as well. Now on your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, you actually want to go ahead and find out the app that your smartwatch uses. So press on this button. On the apps menu, you should be able to find the QR code icon over here where you can actually scan. But if you do not find the QR code app, you can actually just go over to the settings of the smartwatch and you should be able to find the QR code app or menu from over here so that you can actually scan with your phone. In my case, it is actually on the list of apps over here, so I'll just go ahead and scan this QR code using my phone's camera. Once you scan the QR code and open it up on your browser, you should now be able to find out the app that your own T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch uses. As you can see over here, mine is actually the Find Smartwatch app, so I'll just go ahead and select the Google Play Store so I can get it from the Google Play Store, and then just click on the install button to get the app. Now once the app is done downloading and installing, you want to open it up directly from here so that you can set it up and connect it with your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Setting it up is quite easy. Just go ahead and give the app all of the permission it requires. So click on allow, continuously click on allow, and sometimes you might actually be required to sign into the app as well. Click on the privacy policy check button over there, then proceed to sign up with your Google account. I will select my email over here. And this is actually my account information. I will proceed to make sure I screenshot this for record purpose. And then you want to go ahead and click on the confirm button. Click on confirm. Make sure you fill in all of this input field over here. Once you're done, you want to click on the confirm button at the top. And just like so, you have now successfully set up the app. Now for us to be able to connect it with our smartwatch over here and be able to get all of our WhatsApp messages and notification, you're most likely going to see the hint pop up over here. Make sure you click on go to set and then look for the app of your smartwatch. Mine is actually the Find Smartwatch app, and then make sure you turn on the allow notification access button over here. And now once the allow notification access permission is turned on, you want to go back to your smartwatch app, and then from over here proceed to try and connect your smartwatch with the smartwatch app. So you want to go ahead and click on the devices tab at the bottom, or the me tab, or the mine tab, depending on what it is called on your own smartwatch. You can literally see in my case it is called the me tab over here. I'll go ahead and select it, and then you want to go ahead and search for devices, and over here you can literally see the Watch Ultra 2. I'll go ahead and select that. And once both devices are connected, we can now go ahead to enable or activate WhatsApp. But first of all, if you see the pop-up asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth, make sure you also pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. Or you can just go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone and make sure that both devices are actually paired via Bluetooth. Now you just want to go over to your smartwatch app and then look for the notifications or message push option. If you do not find it from over here, you should be able to find it from the device settings, and you can literally see message notification. I'll go ahead and select that. Now at this point, what you just want to do is to make sure you toggle on this WhatsApp notification from your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch app, and once it is turned on, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Meanwhile, if you notice that even after turning on this notification, you're still not able to get all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications, you should also just go over to the settings of your phone, locate the app settings from over here, and then locate the WhatsApp app from the list of applications over here. Select it, and then under notifications, you want to make sure you toggle on show notification for WhatsApp. Also go ahead and look for the name of your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch app, which is actually the Find app in my case. Go ahead and select it, and then also under notifications, make sure you toggle on the show notification permission. And once this is done, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and it's going to work perfectly fine for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.